Hey guys, Victor Isibo here. This is going to be the most powerful video that you are ever going to watch on social media monetization, the dark world of social media monetization. Truth is bitter, so not many people want to say the truth. Now, any video you're going to see on social media monetization, they are going to tell you the traditional ways of monetizing your social media that is going to take you a lot of effort and years of struggle without you actually getting there. So this video is not actually asking you to go and do the things in this video. It's just telling you the truth. So you will do with this information whatever you wish. Okay, my name is Victor Isibo, and in this video, I am going to show you how to become a multi-millionaire with your Instagram account. All right, any social media whatsoever, especially Instagram. And I'm going to give you two real-life examples of individuals, a boy and a girl, how they went about becoming millionaires on social media, especially Instagram, within 3 months. Okay, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to mention their names, but they're people you know. But I'm not going to mention their names. Now, let's jump right into it. If you're new here, subscribe. My name is Victor Isibo. I help you to make money and stay safe online. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss my subsequent videos. Now, let's jump right into it. The singular most powerful and easiest way to monetize your social media is to become a celebrity. Calm down. I'm going to tell you what to do. Become a celebrity. Now, I've been building this YouTube channel for years and years. Okay? I'm even less than 50,000 subscribers. But I tell you, if a public figure, like maybe a popular musician or actress, were to open a YouTube channel today. I know a popular Nigerian actress that opened a YouTube channel, zero content, no video. She just announced on Instagram, I have a YouTube channel now, please go and subscribe. And in 24 hours, she had over 100,000 subscribers, zero content, nothing. And right now, what she does there is to showcase the brand new phones she has bought. Oh, I just bought this phone. The phone is good. Oh, she has no content. And yet she has a lot of subscribers and views. Why? Because she's a celebrity. All right. So she is automatically an influencer because people love her, whatever she does. All right. So to become a celebrity nowadays, you don't need to have talent. You don't need to have content. You have a new batch of talentless and contentless celebrities. All right. And I'm going to show you how to go about it when I tell you what these two individuals did, the boy and the girl. Now, remember, attention is money. Attention is money. That is why you hear they say pay attention. Pay attention. So when you have people's attention, eventually the people get to pay you directly or indirectly. And on the platform where you get those people's attention, the platform can be monetized and you get paid as well. That's why they say pay attention. Now, any publicity is good publicity. Okay? How do celebrities stay relevant? Because they are in the news, whether for good or for bad. They just want to be in the news. Do you know that a lot of the things you see on social media are not true? A girl will call out a celebrity saying, oh, he is the father of my child. Sometimes you find that that celebrity actually paid that girl to say that nasty thing. Why? Because he wants to be relevant. You are a musician, you drop an album once in 2 years. Now, between one album and the next, do you know that people can forget you? So celebrities want to stay relevant. They want to stay in the news. So don't believe everything you see on social media. A married man who is a celebrity, then a girl will come out and say, well, I'm dating this guy. And you think, oh, he's trying to drag his name in the mud. Oh, why are you doing that to my favorite celebrity? Actually, your favorite celebrity might have stage managed that. I know an actor who had a movie coming. Few weeks before the launch of the movie on cinemas, he stage managed a fight with another celebrity. And everybody goes talking about it. And few weeks afterwards, the movie was out. And the movie sold out. Why? because he grabbed your attention momentarily, then he brought the product. So what these guys do is they grab your attention, then they bring out the product. They want to stay in the news. And one thing you need to know is that bad news spread faster than good news. Bad news spread faster than good news. Now, if a public figure were to call me out for something bad, all his followers are going to follow me because they want to know who the hell I am. All right? So bad news spread faster than good news. Now you bought a new car. Big deal. Nobody's interested. But if you want to divorce your wife, then everybody has your name on their lips. Yes, if it is something controversial, something illegal, people will talk about you and you will trend. And when you are trending, whatever you say, people will listen. Okay? I know somebody who was a nobody who paid a celebrity to call them out. Now, a celebrity that has following of 1 million people says that this guy did something bad to me. Now, he or she is telling all her 1 million followers about you. And what happens? All those 1 million people rush to your page and they want to know who you are. And what you now do is you set ring light and you start explaining. Now you're getting views because of that negative call out. All right? That works better than when that celebrity says, oh, this guy is my guy, go and subscribe to his channel or follow him. Nobody's interested. Why? Because there's no bad news. But if you say this guy is a thief, he did this, he did that, people are curious. They want gist. They will rush there, subscribe. That's why you see everybody bring their business to social media. Some people, they say they lost their fathers or their loved ones. They want to cry. They will first of all set the phone, send the ring light, and then start crying. Social media is not actually a very real place. Now, let's get to the story of these two people and how they were able to monetize their social media platforms, especially Instagram, very, very fast. The dark world of social media monetization. Now, this is a boy. This is a boy. What do we call him? Let's call him Mr. A. Now, this is Mr. A. All right? He is broke. He has no money. So what did he do? He became friends, or he identified a friend or a cousin or an associate who has a lot of money. Okay? This is Mr. B. Mr. B is his acquaintance or a friend or a cousin who has money. So this guy is rich. This guy is what? Is rich. Now this, our Mr. A, is poor. So Mr. A befriends Mr. B. There's no way you will be so poor that there will not be somebody around you who has money, be it a friend or acquaintance or family member. So he was able to identify such a rich person in Mr. B, a friend, associate, whatever, Mr. B. Now, he goes to Mr. B to say, you know what, don't give me money. Don't give me anything, but allow me to be able to wear some of your good clothes and jewelry. Allow me to be able to make videos and take pictures in your cars and in your house on a consistent basis. And Mr. B, generous enough to like, okay, this guy is not asking for money. It's the least I could do for him. All right, no problem. Then what did Mr. A do? He went to quickly open an Instagram account. Okay, opened an Instagram account. All right, then he calls himself a fanciful name called, say, Pablo. Calls himself Pablo. All right, now he now opens 5 other Instagram accounts, fake ones. Watch, you'll see what he's going to do with these accounts. Now, he would now wear the best clothes of Mr. B, okay? Borrowed clothes, make videos, give people the impression that he is very wealthy and successful. Then sometimes he would get some US dollars cash from Mr. B to make videos about it, take pictures in the cars, take pictures in the fanciful apartment and put on social media. Now, a lot of people are beginning to pay him attention. Like, who is this guy? Who is this guy that is so fly, so fanciful? Before you know, his subscriber count will do what? Start going up. All right? If the guy is consistent with his posts, he can get up to 10K followers in a month. All right. Now he does fake giveaways. Now, today, guys, I want to give away 1 million naira. Then he will do the fake giveaway and he will use his 5 fake Instagram accounts to testify that they got paid. When people hear that that page does giveaways, they will rush there to follow the person. So in less than 3 months, let's say this account has 40K followers on Instagram. He is now a social media celebrity because of his lifestyle, the fly clothes he wears, the jewelry. So this is a poor man faking to be rich on social media just so that people can pay him attention. Now, 40,000 people are beginning to pay him attention. Okay, let us see how he's going to monetize these 40K people paying him attention. Before you know, this guy goes on live, okay, to tell his fans, I'm tired of giving you fish by giving you giveaways. All right, I am a crypto slash forex guru. I make my money from crypto and forex. This guy is broke, but on social media he's rich. So he tells them, I'm a crypto and forex guru. Now, I could give you my secrets for free, but I know people do not value what they get for free. So for a token, I've compiled all my secrets in an ebook, my trading secrets that made me a multi-millionaire in crypto and forex. And I'm going to be selling it at a giveaway price of just $10. Peanuts, what's $10? You guys know I'm rich. So take this information for $10. So he opens a seller account, downloads a random crypto and forex tutorial that is almost empty, PDF, attaches it there, maybe he has the resale rights, then it's up for sale for $10. Let's say of his 40,000 subscribers or followers, only 20,000 purchases this $10 ebook because he put a very low price that is very affordable for the average person. Yeah, that is a whooping $200,000 he would have made from the sale of a valueless ebook. $200,000. All right. Now that is one way he has monetized his Instagram. And do you know, now that he has higher engagements on social media and stuff, brands will now come to him and tell him, become our brand ambassador. Talk about our products. Now that people are paying you attention, use that attention to advertise our products. So he will now get brand influencing deals. Yeah, more money. Then on all the social media platforms where he has people's attention, people are paying him attention, he can monetize them all. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You see how he went from broke to rich by faking it till he made it. Okay, so that is the story of Mr. A. Now let's talk about the woman. All right. Let's call her Miss B. How did Miss B become rich? Now, Miss B is a beautiful young woman. All right. Beautiful young woman. Now, what does she do? She goes on Instagram. No content. Nothing. No content. Nothing. The only content she has is her beauty. And what does she do? She puts her phone down and she dances to any trending song. Yeah, that's all she does. She just dances sensually to any trending song. What is happening to her subscriber count? People start following her. Mostly men. They start following her. She does not talk anything that impacts on their lives positively. Nothing. She's not a motivator. She doesn't even speak. You don't even know her voice. Any trending song, she plays it and she dances to it. And before you know, this girl has 100K followers on Instagram. By just being a good dancer. By just being beautiful. By just being attractive. By just being in the eyes of flirtatious men. Yes, she has 100K followers on social media. Now, this is real because this Brazilian butt lift that you're seeing that girls are doing, it is all a way of grabbing the attention of men. They do all the fancy makeup because they want to get men to pay them attention. Social media is a game of attention. Now, once you have people's attention, do with that attention whatever you wish. But rule number one is grab people's attention. So this girl is grabbing people's attention with her body, with her looks, and people are following her. And now at 100K followers on Instagram, she's already a certified celebrity. People know her. Now, what now happens? You see a decent girl from a decent home, she's not decent on social media because she's desperate to grab people's attention. And that is why you see people go under the knife to have a BBL. They pay for it because they want to grab your attention. Now, what do they do with this attention? Before you know, brands will now come. A lady has gone under the knife to do a BBL. Brands will now come, body enhancement brand. They will now tell her to advertise a tea and say, okay, tell your viewers, your followers that this was the tea that gave you the curves that you have. So you see, she will tell them, oh, this is my everyday routine. I have my curves because of this tea. Then the doctor that did the surgery is going to be like, what? If it was not a doctor that gave them the body, God Almighty who gave them the body was going to be like, what? This is the dark world of social media influencing. A girl who has always had good skin, brands will see her and make her their brand ambassador for their skincare product. So I'm like, was it your skincare product that gave her the skin? No. So why do brands go on about looking for people who already have what they claim their products can give? To me, I think that's deception because your products didn't give that celebrity what they have. If they are selling hair growth products, they will look for a hairy celebrity, make him or her their brand ambassador. All right. So you see, when these people grab attention with so many things, then you see they can now monetize that attention because their engagements are high. Brands will come for them and they can also monetize those particular pages on those social medias. You will see hardworking young men and women who have great content that people can learn from. Their followers on social media are very low. But you see these girls who just have nice skin and they can show a little bit of skin and they can twerk to some very popular songs. They have all that engagement. All right. Now, this information in this video is the reality of what happens on social media, and it's just unfortunate. Okay. So if you are out there and you love good content, you love educational content and eye-opening content, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Encourage some of us who are real, who are truthful, who are not looking for shady ways to grab and monetize your attention. All right. My name is Victor Esibo. Thank you for watching this video this far. I'll see you in the next one. Until then,